Hey guys, Mr. Man 105 here, coming to you with yet another video of the homemade two-stroke. As you can see, it is homemade. I've milled a hole right in the side of the engine for the exhaust port, but I'm going to be showing you what it looks like when it runs without the exhaust, without anything over the port. Just so you can see that it is two-stroke. It's running like two-stroke. 4-stroke converted to 2-stroke. So just turn it on here. Turn the air on. That's the little valve in there. It keeps the air piece pushing on it and pushing it up. Come on. Sorry, the thing wouldn't shut off. So, hope you liked seeing that view of the engine. A little bit loud without the exhaust pipe. I know it seems like this would make it louder, but it's louder with the open port. But it is pretty cool. So, please comment, rate, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.